Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, September 21st, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. First of all, the Dow, I called the Dow up for today. It did not go up. It actually lost 53 points. Not exactly a sell-off. I think just a little consolidation after a huge run-up of several days. I'm still going to call it up for tomorrow. This uh, market is very, very strong and has a powerful upward bias. So call the Dow up for tomorrow. As for us, we had a great day. We had about $10,000 in positive open trade equity on the close yesterday. We got out today with nearly 13,000 closed out. Really, really good. So, that just about makes up for that extremely bad day we had a couple days ago. So that's real good. The system bounces back, and we're still doing very, very well here. And I feel like we're still on a roll in spite of that single bad day. It was basically caused by one single stock that I think we got caught on the wrong side of an extremely bad earnings report. Anyway, we got into 6 new positions. Only 2 were positive, 4 were negative, but we're still holding positive $813, and that's basically based on one stock that was extremely good, and I'm going to show that to you in a second here. So I'm only going to show you 2 stocks today. We had 2 fabulous ones, and the rest of the stuff is positive, but really not spectacular. But these 2 I'm going to show you are pretty darn spectacular. Um, this first one is Fold, Fold, which is Amicus Therapeutics. And we had bought this yesterday, first hour, and it moved very nicely in our favor, closed in our favor, but then had a nice big gap up here this morning. We got out of it here, and we got out of this with $5,000 in closed out profits in Amicus. That was really a good trade. The thing dips after we got out. That looked like we had got out in the most spectacular way, but then it turns around, starts climbing, and we get re-entered this thing. And then it looked really bad. It looked like it was, this was the end of it, the climax of the buying, and it sold off. But then it came back really strong toward the end of the day. And in spite of the fact we're down about $400 on our open trade from this reentry, I am pretty confident we're going to do well with this because we had this pretty solid rally in this stock at the end of the day, and I don't think it's overbought at all. So that's looking real good. Finally, and this is the reason why I have positive open trade equity. This is DeGaz, which is inverse natural gas. And we had bought this yesterday right at the end of the day with about 30 minutes to go. And it actually closed slightly negative yesterday. But then it has this huge jump gap up this morning. And then it just buys. And we are holding $5.5 thousand, $5,500 positive in DeGaz. So that just looks fabulous. So a really good day. I am very happy, and we'll be back here online tomorrow on Friday.